Hi everyone. In this video, you will learn on how to get macOS Dynamic Wallpaper on Windows 11 and 10. Dynamic Wallpaper feature was introduced in Mojave Update in macOS, which was one of the noticeable functionality. It is a pretty cool feature that lets you rotate the wallpaper automatically on the desktop background with the specified time intervals. macOS Wallpaper Lover will grab it immediately. You don't need to switch platforms to use the Dynamic Wallpaper feature in Windows 11 or 10. Dynamic Wallpaper on Windows 11 or 10. WinDynamic Desktop is an excellent app available on the Microsoft Store that lets you apply macOS Dynamic Wallpaper on Windows 10. Just download and install this free application to use macOS Dynamic Wallpaper on your PC. Once WinDynamic Desktop is installed on your PC, it will ask you to configure schedule. While configuring the schedule, make sure that you enter your current location. The application allows setting up specific sunrise and sunset timing by selecting the Use Specific Sunrise and Sunset Times option. Once you set your current location to determine sunrise and sunset times, clicking the OK button will prompt if the location is correct. Click the Yes button to continue. Now, the application will welcome you with some of the most incredible dynamic wallpapers on the market. These include Big Sur Abstract, Catalina, Dome, Iridescence, Mojave Desert, Monterey Abstract, Peak, Solar Gradients, the Beach, the Cliffs, the Desert, the Lake, Tree, and Ventura Abstract. Select a theme of your choice and click on the Download button. File size may be 15 MB to 200 MB. Once the wallpaper is downloaded, click the Apply button to enjoy macOS Dynamic Wallpaper on Windows 11 or 10. Suppose you want to go back to the default Windows theme for some reason, there is no need to delete the application. Right-click on the WinDynamic Wallpaper icon from the taskbar, click Select Theme, select None, and then click Apply. Conclusion: WinDynamic Desktop is a freeware tool that lets you enjoy the dynamic wallpaper feature on Windows 10. It comes with a neat and clean user interface and does not slow down your PC in any way. With the help of this app, you can enjoy macOS Dynamic Wallpaper without compromising speed. Download WinDynamic Desktop. WinDynamic Desktop is available for download from the Microsoft Store, link provided in video description. It is also available on GitHub, which supports Windows 11, 10, 8, and Win 7 operating systems. Bye, see you on next video.